So in the dream world, and it will come true someday for me, is I'm gonna be able to put in text just like I showed you here, but instead of having to tweak all these things, it's gonna spit out a perfect trading strategy that works without any edits. And that's where I'm going. So if you want to be part of the crew, jump in the Discord. There's a link for the camp below. I show you absolutely everything I know about trading algorithms and how to code them. So you can either code them by yourself or code them with ChatGBT, because you can see it does help me do some things. And it's especially nice for things you do not know how to do. I kind of know how to build this bot. I've built it multiple times on this channel. But you can see it at least writes the code for me. It takes some time. And for things I don't know how to do, I would have to Google it. So I can make some more videos on OpenAI and ChatGPT. It's pretty interesting to me.